Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video I'll show you how can you remove OneDrive from your Windows 11 machine, or you can do the same with the Windows 10 one. Okay, so as you guys know, Windows 11 and 10 or the OneDrive itself comes along with a cloud hosting feature. So whenever your data is present over desktop, downloads or documents, it is going to put up all those data into the cloud server. So whether you like it or not, you can access it from anywhere. So if you want your device data not to be compromised, all you can do, you can remove the OneDrive, and for that this is the video. So as you can see the status when the data is backups. It is showing refresh rate, and when the upload is complete, like the backup is done, you can see the green check. So if you don't want your data to be compromised, just come over this taskbar option and just right click over the SkyDrive or the OneDrive icon, jump into the settings and just hit over this option called unlink this PC. And what it will do, it will remove your account from this machine. So all the data will not be compromised from second time, but make sure the data which is important to you, you have made a copy of that in other local hard drive. Okay, next and final thing, all you just have to remove OneDrive. So just type in OneDrive, hit uninstall, and it will take you to the control panel. Now you can uninstall it from over here, and that would be all to get rid of this OneDrive. So this is how you can remove by clicking over unlink this PC, and later come over this control panel to remove the app itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If it was helpful, comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.